Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Technique Thursday. Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to work with the Hope Bundle. Well, what it is, I guess I can't call it a bundle because it's kind of like mini Bible page kits, but there's 4 of them. I'm going to use all of them, and I am going to do a little journal. So this was one of the inserts that was in my, came with one of those little Michael things I bought. So I want to work with all the scriptures because hope it's such an important theme for me. And so I wanted to work with that. So I've got my pieces already cut out of the one. I will show a photo of all the different kits at the end of the video. So take a peek at those. There's 4 different ones. I'm going to do all of them. You can do 1 or 2, or I just haven't done a journal in a while, so I wanted to do that. So we've got that. I've already put my stuff into my software. I've done my journaling, and I'm going to start. So what did I find in the studio? Spray. So I've got 2 different sprays here. I've got the Dylusions Bubblegum Pink Ink Spray and the Tim Holtz Distress Spray Stain in Rusty Hinge. So I'm going to do that with a little squishy technique because I'm still getting organized here. And I was out last week in the hospital, so I just wanted to come by and do this. Oh, and guess what? Guess what else? All the Bible page kits are on sale in the shop today. We're going to do kind of a throwback for summer of all the kits we did. And then Nikki says, hey, why don't we just throw all the kits on sale? So all Bible page kits are going to be on sale. And head to the shop and see which ones you don't have. So I'm going to stop talking and get working. So just a little spray bottle and the Dylusions, because I want to sort of, not have, I don't want to spray directly on this. And this one is a brown. So that's kind of interesting. I've not worked with a brown one before, so I just wanted to try it out and see what happened. Should move this around a bit. And I didn't prep, so I'm gonna see how that turns out. So got some paper towel here. And so how's everybody's day? I've been so busy yapping with the sale and everything, and I'm having so much fun with this bundle, and I just want to share with you, so I'm just going to blot a bit. And I decided I should probably work on a craft mat today because you know how that works, right? If we don't get on the craft mat, we start making a mess. And my white poster board will slowly look not like poster board anymore. So let's do that. Gonna give it a squish with this. Put some brown on here. We'll start with just a little bit. I always love to do too much, and then we know. And you can tell I was playing before because all my fingers are pink. So I'm just gonna do a sploosh of brown here, and maybe a sploosh up in the corner. Kind of just wherever it's gonna land. I love squishing because there is no right and wrong. There is no good and bad. It's just having fun. And what other great fun I'm having is as I'm getting my studio all organized, is I'm finding things going, I haven't used this in a while. I haven't used that in a while. So I'm excited to use all the goodies. So let's give this a spray. Clean that up a bit. All right, that's looking pretty good. So let's get to work. I'm just going to move all this off my desk. Maybe get rid of the craft mat and go right to the white where I have a sploosh already. And usually if I would spray, then I would put something heavy on the book to, hold it down. But maybe we'll just do it like that. So let's see what we're up to. Maybe we'll just zoom in a little bit. There we go, so we can see the page. And I think I'm gonna start with this. So what am I gonna put behind it? I love to play with elements. These I didn't do sticker paper. I just cut them out on computer paper because, yeah, that's kind of cute. Because I thought, why not, right? Let's just do them on good old cardstock and glue stick. So we'll get these all glued up and stick them on, and then I'm excited about this little journal. I'm really excited about this. All right, so put that one there. And this one back here maybe. And the cute little tag. Oh, I see. Look at what my little guy did. He kind of cut it out funny. The scan and cut. I thought something was off when I pulled it off, but that's okay. We'll just put that right there, or we could even hang it off. Maybe we'll just hang it off the anchor. And I cut this border in two, so I'm just going to put that there. I'm thinking this also might need a little stamping or something. What do you think? A little bit of stampings, maybe white, little doodads, or I'm not sure what to do. So the card will go there. I had a tab. Oh, there's my tab. And we'll get one for the other side. So this is fun. Yeah, like I said, I haven't done a journal in a while, so I thought I would get on doing a little journal. I have all these inserts, so I'm kind of course I found those too when I was unpacking. And I have a ton of little bugs in my house tonight. There's lots of little bugs running around. I'm not sure where all this is gonna go. Maybe we'll put this here first. Another little border. And these pages don't have to be, you know, really complex. You can just have some fun and do a little bit here and there and you know, see what happens. I'm going to end up using like all my elements, aren't I? So the only ones I didn't use from the page is this flower and two of the readings, but I want to do these on, of course, on a different page. So these three I'll just leave, or maybe, well, I guess, yeah, I think I'm going to end up printing these a lot. So here we go. And this is life on the farm. We have lots of bugs. Lots and lots of little bugs. We're always flying in through my screens. And it's finally cooled off here a bit. So I had the back door open so the puppies could go out and play. There's a door right off my studio, so I can kind of keep an eye on them as they play. But they love to dig. Oh gosh, they love to dig, my little puppies. I'm not sure about that one there now. Maybe I'll just put it up here. There we go. So, look at that. Like a page is done. And in no time flat. I think I am going to grab maybe just a little stencil. Let's see if we can find a quick one here with some dots maybe. And I'm usually so much more organized, but this is the first stencil I found. It's mini well-rounded, and I know that I have a pouncer and my paint. Look at these handy little drawers I have. So that wasn't, sorry about that. I could have, I guess, put it on hold. And my paint does not want to cooperate, so let's do it this way. And my little Martha Stewart pouncers. And yeah, I think I'm just going to add some little white speckles in here. Oh yeah, I like that. And a couple here. And maybe a couple at the top. I kind of am digging this brown. This is kind of cool. I've never done things on brown, so this is kind of interesting. But I figured there was a lot of brown in this, so why not give it a whirl? There, how's that? Always something new and exciting to try. So I'm going to give this a dry, I'm going to date it, and then I'm done. So thank you for joining me. Make sure you check out the sale. All Bible page kits on sale. How fun is that? So stock up, and I hope you guys are loving this little hope bundle. And that's it for today. Wow, done. So thank you all. Have an awesome day. I will see you in Praise and Pray. God bless you, everyone. Bye-bye.